So this video lesson is looking at drawing circuit diagrams. And so we're going to do a practice drawing together before you work on the drawing circuit diagrams assignment. So the practice circuit that we're going to draw, we're going to make it have 2 cells. We're going to make it have a open switch. We are going to put a clock and a resistor and a light bulb within our circuit. All right, so we are going to start with drawing the 2 cells. So I know that one cell is a big line and a little line. So 2 cells is going to be 2 of those in a row. And I need to label the positive side and the negative side. So the positive side is the big line. The negative side is the small line. Okay, I need to then connect that with wire to my open switch. Anytime I'm drawing circuits, I have to draw my circuits using straight lines. I can't use curved lines. They have to be straight lines. So the straight lines could go horizontally or vertically, but they have to be straight lines. So I know that my cell is going to have 2 straight lines coming out of it. I need to attach that to an open switch. So I'm going to use some wire to go down, and I'm going to draw my open switch. So my open switch looks like this. Okay, so now I've got my open switch. Now I need to add a clock, a resistor, and a light bulb before I get back to my battery cell. So I'm going to go to the left, and I'm going to draw my clock. So my clock is a circle with a C. Then I think I'm going to draw my resistor. Okay, so there's my resistor. Now I think I'm going to go up before I draw my light bulb. And then I'm going to attach all the way back to my battery cell. So now I've got, if I just want to label the different parts, just so we can see all the different parts. So here I've got my open switch. Okay, so that's good. I've got my clock. I've got my resistor, my light bulb, and then I've got my 2 cells up here at the top. Now, I also would like to label, so those are my 2 cells. I also would like to label the direction in which my electrons are flowing around this circuit. And so I know that electrons come from the negative point of the battery. And so this is my electron flow. So that means that my electrons are coming out from the battery on the right. They're going through the open switch. Then they're going to go through the clock, the resistor, the light bulb before they get back to the battery. And so the electron flow in this circuit is actually clockwise. So we're going clockwise around this circuit. If I had drawn my battery or my cells in the opposite direction, the electrons would have traveled in the opposite direction. Electrons always travel from the negative side of the battery back to the positive side of the battery. Okay, so that's it for this video lesson. You should be able to now draw those 3 circuits in the drawing circuit diagrams assignment. Be careful, make sure that you're using straight lines, okay? If you want to draw them on paper and submit a PDF, or if you want to draw them electronically, you can do that too. Either one is absolutely fine.